If you want to customize wallpaper on iPad 10th generation, let's see that. Actually, you can customize the home screen and lock screen wallpaper on two places. First way, swipe down here and just long press on the empty space, and here you just need to swipe left, then you can see this option customize. It usually like this. You just need to click this plus icon and just tap photos, and here select your custom photo. I just select this one. So this is lock screen. Here you can add the widgets, you can change the font colors like so, just like that, and pinch to crop. So this is the thing, and this is to change the filter. So this is a lock screen, then click add. Now if you want to change the home screen picture, means click customize home screen. Now here just choose the color you wish. Here you can change that. And if you want to add any background photo, click photo and just select the photo you want to add, and just select this, and here you can change the filter, and done. So it's ready. If you click this blur option, the background will be blurred out like this. If you want to turn on, just like that. So click done, and again select this, and that's it. It's changed. Here you can see the lock screen and home screen. So this is how you need to do. And the second way is same, settings, and scroll down and open wallpaper. Then in default it will be like this. You just need to swipe left, then here you can see this new option. Just click plus icon and photos and add the photo, and edit those things and click add and customize home screen, and just select photo and click done, and that's it. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPad 10th gen, watch these videos.